The initial study that we've presented, I think, highlights that it is possible to target EGFR exon 20 mutations. There was a concern before that a tyrosine kinase inhibitor couldn't be developed for this group because of certain structural constraints that happen when you get these insertions. So I think that's the good news, that there certainly are drugs that are active. But clearly the additional studies are going to be needed to really firm up what's the response rate overall, how durable is the benefit, what's the tolerability look like over time. So those are all the ongoing studies, and I think it's going to be very important in the subsequent follow-up phase 2 study that's going on across the country to validate and verify those initial results. More broadly, I think it's very exciting that there are other drugs in the pipeline for both EGFR and HER2 exon 20. There's one from a company called Ariad and now Takeda that's in clinical testing, and there are several others that are out there in development or moving along. So I think it's an exciting time that there's going to be a variety of different drugs that could potentially benefit this group of patients because, nationwide, if you look at the different tumors, we estimate that it's at least 6,000 to 9,000 lung cancer patients a year that could benefit from this. And across all the different diseases, it may be more than 20,000 people a year that have exon 20 mutations. So this, when you add up all those different groups, this is not a minuscule group of patients. Exon 20 mutant diseases together would be one of the more common cancer killers. It would be in the top 10. So this is really an unmet need, and it's exciting to see that there are some advances being made.